Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best KitchenAid blenders available on the market today. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, crafting a sauce, or blending your favorite soup, having the right blender can make all the difference. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 5. Haoyunma. The Haoyunma blender is a compact yet powerful tool designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Featuring a 2,000-watt motor, it offers exceptional power for everything from crushing ice to blending tough ingredients like frozen fruits and vegetables. Its variable speed controls give you precise control over your blending, while the pulse feature ensures quick bursts of speed when you need it most. The 2-liter capacity pitcher is made of durable, BPA-free plastic, and it's easy to clean, making it perfect for busy households. Haoyunma stands out with its intelligent overload protection, ensuring the motor won't burn out even during heavy use. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance blender that can handle daily tasks with ease, the Haoyunma blender is worth considering. Number 4. Biolomix. The Biolomix blender brings versatility and power to your kitchen with its professional-grade 2200-watt motor and hardened stainless steel blades. It excels at both everyday tasks like smoothies and more demanding jobs like grinding nuts or making nut butters. The 6 blades are designed for maximum efficiency, allowing the blender to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and even emulsify soups and sauces without breaking a sweat. This blender comes with a 2-liter Tritan jar that is both BPA-free and shatterproof, offering plenty of room for large batches of your favorite recipes. With its variable speed control and pulse function, you can fine-tune your blending to get the perfect consistency every time. One of the standout features of the Biolomix is its self-cleaning function. Simply add water and a drop of dish soap, and the blender cleans itself in seconds. It's a time saver for anyone with a busy kitchen. Number 3. Socani. The Socani blender is built for those who want a powerful machine with a sleek, modern design. Its 1,800-watt motor can handle tough ingredients, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, purees, and more. Socani's 6 precision-engineered stainless steel blades effortlessly blend everything from ice to fibrous fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get smooth, consistent results every time. One of the standout features of this blender is its noise reduction design, allowing you to blend quietly even at high speeds. The 2-liter BPA-free container is spacious, and its ergonomic handle makes pouring a breeze. With multiple speed settings and a pulse function, Socani offers the flexibility to create your recipes just the way you like them. It also includes a tamper to help push ingredients towards the blades, ensuring nothing is left unblended. Number 2. Ninja BN751. Ninja has built a reputation for durable, high-performance blenders, and the BN751 is no exception. Equipped with a powerful 1,400-watt motor, it's capable of pulverizing ingredients in seconds, from frozen fruits to ice cubes, ensuring that your drinks are always smooth and perfectly blended. The BN751 features Ninja's Auto IQ technology, which includes intelligent preset programs that take the guesswork out of blending. Whether you're making a smoothie, frozen drink, or puree, the Auto IQ programs adjust the speed and pulse for optimal results. The blender comes with a 2.1-liter pitcher and includes 2 700-milliliter single-serve cups, making it easy to take your drinks on the go. With its strong blades and durable design, the Ninja BN751 is perfect for families or anyone who regularly blends large quantities. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle heavy-duty use while maintaining peak performance. Number 1. Ninja BL770. At the top of the list is the Ninja BL770, a true kitchen powerhouse. This 1,500-watt blender goes beyond just blending. It's a complete kitchen system that includes a blender, food processor, and single-serve cups, all in one. Whether you're making dough, blending smoothies, or chopping vegetables, the BL770 handles it all with ease. Its 2.1-liter pitcher is perfect for blending large batches, while the food processor bowl and Nutri Ninja cups offer additional versatility. The BL770 features Ninja's total crushing blades, which can break down ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables in seconds. This makes it perfect for making frozen drinks, smoothies, and more. The food processor attachment is a standout, allowing you to chop ingredients or even make dough with the powerful dough blade. With its comprehensive set of accessories, powerful motor, and durable design, the Ninja BL770 is a must-have for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable kitchen companion. And there you have it. These are the top 5 best KitchenAid blenders available, each offering a unique blend of power, versatility, and performance to meet all your blending needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks.